Hey guys, Mike Lauper here, and I have just finished setting up my new office. It's not done yet, but we are getting there. It is much more interesting now. The globe's back over here and some other things up there. I'm trying to get some of my cameras set up back there. It is a very, very long process to get this done. I think it would be a good idea if I keep working at it, to tell you the truth. Here's some B-roll of me doing all the work, and enjoy. Oh my, it has been a long time since I pointed this camera at me. What the heck's in my background here? Oh, the shelf. Alright, so guys, I just got a haircut. How do you like it? I think it looks pretty good. And I really want to talk to you guys a little bit about my office next. So this is the disaster that is my office right now. And it's time that I change this back around so that I can start shooting in here again. And step one is going to be to add another shelf next to that one. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that curtain there yet. I want to build a wall right here all the way out to about here and then across that way. Now that's a long-term project, so I don't know how long that's going to take or when I'm going to start that, but that's kind of the plan for what's going to happen over here. All these boxes, they need to be cleaned up and gone. I want my equipment nice and neatly on the shelves. I want to be able to shoot in this direction here, right at this area, and be able to have my computer on and the shelving in the background, and just back to the way my office used to look back when I had a nice office.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes
Okay, time to install the light so we can see something.
dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the
Saying it's pretty good, but I feel like it's all blown out. Let's see.
baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes
Real quick.
You want to look at my hair? Okay. Nice and short, right?
It's pretty yucky.
It's pretty yucky.
I think
You're
it looks
so
good.
funny. Oh, you're so funny.